While you might not consider email marketing as the brightest utensil on the shelf, you have to agree with me that it's still the most potent tool for getting your audience engaged this year and even in 2021. And trust me, it's going to remain so for a long time. Social media marketing might appear to be more appetizing and all, but when you critically look at it, you will realize that all efforts you put in is basically spent on raising up someone else's building. And this is what I mean. You don't really own the place, now do you? Now look back at the shakeup of 2019 that happened with Facebook, or the constant change of algorithms. Even if you feel like they're going to be around forever, these things like algorithms keep depleting reach and engagement, and are a constant discouragement to the efforts being put into the platforms. And sadly, getting a million fans and friends, that doesn't even matter. Because despite having that gazillion amount of friends, followers, and fans, the algorithm will end up showing your products to only about 2% of them anyway. But with emails, it's way different. The moment trust can be established and they decide to hand you their email address, now you've gotten pretty much a level of commitment from them. This also means that you've got a great chance at engagement and lots of potential for even more. And this goes to show how much importance having a quality email list actually carries. And this is why I will be showing you how I've been able to build my email list through proven strategies. So in this video, I'll be sharing tips and tricks that I've worked over time and are still working going into 2021. Now, whether you're just starting out or you've already built an email list to an extent, you'll be sure to benefit from the content of this video. So what's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. And for all you new guys, my name is Donnell R. Jones. And on this channel, I'm passionate about teaching people how to build a profitable email list business utilizing top strategies and tips through email marketing. And now, if you find this video valuable, please smash that like and subscribe button. And also, I would like for you to tap that bell icon so you don't miss a beat. And if you stick around to the end of this video, I'll let you know how you can get instant access to a free training that will teach you how to set your email list business up and operate on complete autopilot so you can start earning commissions every single day. Now, with that being said, let's get right into it. So first, I need you to truly understand that no one is going to sign up for that newsletter of yours. It is, however, an ancient method that is barely used today. And this is because there's hardly any value in newsletters. So why should they sign up for it? Instead, what you should do is to create a valuable offer that you are sure a majority of your audience would be very much interested in. And this offer is called a lead magnet or a freebie. Now, it has to be an offer that is solving a particular problem or answering a specific question. It could be in the form of, a PDF, a cheat sheet, or even an audio or video. Quizzes can also be a very good offer as well. Now, if your business is one with certain available discounts, then you can choose to offer those in exchange for the email addresses. In fact, if you got any ideas for freebies and lead magnets, be sure to drop it in the comments section and I'll let you know my thoughts on it. So now that you got your lead magnet all squared away, and this is actually something that will be running on Evergreen for a very long time, the next step would be other lead magnets that can stem from the flagship freebie. Now, this would come as upgrades to your already existing offers. They will live on your website or on your landing page. A good example would be a video on how to get your business ranking. This was actually done by one of my colleagues, and he gave some awesome detailed information to help on getting a business ranked on Google searches and local maps. And due to the fact that he included a couple of actionable steps in the video, he had included a cheat sheet that you could actually easily download once you were done watching the video. And with the cheat sheet, you could work out everything as he taught one step at a time. Of course, you would agree that this is indeed great value. And one thing you should keep in the back of your mind, and this is very important, make sure your title should be really enticing and should offer an insight into the content that you're pretty much going to be offering. Now, if you're going to be upgrading your content, then you will have to make it known, in your video and talk about it. Now, if it's going to be on like a blog post, then a link to it should be included, or at least get a snippet of the blog and include it. This would ensure that they don't go, through any stress trying to read and find it. So after your flagship freebie and upgrades, what next could you do to improve your organic traffic? So let's say you have about 100 people visiting, and you only, have about 2 people downloading your freebie. That is not actually a good way to go, especially when you're attempting to build an email list and build it very quickly. So my personal advice would be, to put aside some money and run ads on social media so that they will lead directly to your lead magnet that you're pretty much offering. On whatever platform you decide to use, it should be based on the nature of your audience and their demographics. We very well know that the different platforms serve as different demographics of audiences, and you should make sure your selection with these demographics, you got to keep that in mind. Now, it could be Facebook, you got Instagram, LinkedIn, Pinterest, or YouTube. While we're on the issue of social media anyway, I think I would like to talk about Facebook ads. Now, it's very cool. It's very cool when running Facebook ads, and you don't even have to go through the stress of leaving Facebook. They could easily click your link, get your offer, and still remain on Facebook. If you, however, want people to come down to your landing page, you must ensure that you've set up your landing page in such a way that it's bound to convert those leads. But whichever you decide, you must ensure that you keep it simple, place the name of the free offer, and if possible, include a very good visual attachment. For example, use either a guide cover art, or a good picture of an iPhone with earpods if your freebie is pretty much an audio style format. This will help them think of it as a product and not just mere information. Now, another way you can get conversions would be for you to request for the basic minimum of what you need. This should be just their name and their email address. Asking for more would be putting them through stress, and it could push them away and abandon the form, and you don't get to receive anything. You have to also make it clear enough that your lead magnet would be emailed to them. And this way, you reduce the chances of being given a fake email address. And yes, it happens a lot. People tend to give out fake email addresses, but when you let them know that they will be getting the offer in their emails, they will be motivated to give you the correct email address. Now, if you don't have access to, a web developer who can design your landing pages, now there are lots of tools and sites you can take advantage of in creating a very, very good landing page. Like LeadPages offers subscription packages that allows you to create as many lead pages as you need. Luckily, most of them produce great results in terms of high conversions, and you will also get to choose from a list of possible template options arranged according to the rate of conversions. And this way, you don't have to be left with guessing which one where pretty much would do better. And another way you can build your email list is for you to include your link to your freebie in the emails that you send out daily. And this might sound weird considering the fact that they're already on your list and they're already receiving emails from you. But people who haven't opted in to your offers can't receive marketing emails. That would be called spamming. So overall, this would definitely help you get some extra people to get on your email list by ensuring that people actually do opt into your email list. Now, one more thing to help you boost your conversion rates is for you to include exit pop-up intents. And this means whenever they try to leave your page, they get the pop-up. Yes, it might be considered annoying by some people, but you can't take away the fact that the exit pop-ups are very effective. Luckily, they're only pop up when someone is about to leave your page, but they don't pop up every time. And also, most of them, they do not reappear. This means that they serve as a last-ditch attempt to try to capture their email address at the point of them leaving your site. I mean, what could you possibly lose? They were already on their way out the door, so you couldn't do nothing extra to send them out anyway. Now, since you watched this entire video, I have to keep my word. So this is what I want you to do. I want you to click the link in the description and sign up for the free masterclass. Now, this masterclass training will give you a step-by-step blueprint on how you can actually pick a product to sell. Yes, you don't even have to create a product, website, or nothing. It's already done for you. And this is actually called affiliate marketing. And then you learn how to build an email list and sell your products to your email list over and over again. Just think, it's over 5 billion email addresses in the world. What if you could just get a little crumb of that? You would probably be able to quit your 9 to 5 or wherever you work and just work from home on your laptop or your mobile phone for a couple hours a day to make a full-time income. I guarantee that this training will change the way that you view an email address. Just click the link in the description and quickly sign up. I also have more email list building and email marketing tutorials that I encourage you to watch as well. You can find links to those in the descriptions as well. I also have all my links to my social media channels in the description. I would love to communicate with you on different platforms, so we can just talk. I also want to hear from you. Tell me what you got most out of this video and what freebies you intend to include in your own business, or if you have one. And if you've got a title, let me know in the comment section below. I would love to share my advice on what I think about your title and the nature of your freebie or lead magnet that you're pretty much offering. Now, I will try my best to answer everyone and provide answers to all your comments. Well, guys, I appreciate you for watching this video. Don't forget to smash that like button if you got value out of this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel because I got plenty of valuable content coming your way. And again, my name is Donnell R. Jones, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a safe week. Have a safe week. Have a safe day. Peace out. I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget, smash that like and subscribe button and sign up for that free masterclass training. It's very important. It'll change your life. All right, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Peace.